In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Microsoft Teams to Asana. Connecting these two tools is a great way to keep your conversations and your tasks in sync, so you're not jumping back and forth or losing track of action items. I'll walk you through the process step by step, right from inside Asana, and you can follow along on your own screen. Start by opening Asana in your browser, and make sure you're logged into the account you want to connect. Look toward the upper right corner of the page, where you'll see your profile icon. This might be your initials or a small avatar image. Go ahead and click that profile icon. This opens a small menu with a few account-related options. From that menu, look for the option labeled Settings and click it. This will open your Asana settings in a new window or panel. Take a moment to let it load fully because we'll be using a specific tab inside this settings area. Once your settings are open, you'll see several tabs across the top such as Profile, Notifications, and others. Find the tab labeled Apps and click on it. The Apps tab is where Asana lists all the integrations and connected applications available for your account. This is the central place for managing which external tools can work with your Asana workspace. Inside the Apps tab, scroll through the available integrations until you find Microsoft Teams. When you see it, you should also see a button or link labeled Connect. Click on Connect to start the integration process between Asana and Microsoft Teams. After you click Connect, a new window or pop-up will appear with on-screen prompts. These prompts may ask you to sign into your Microsoft account, choose which Teams organization you want to use, and grant permissions so that Asana and Teams can share information. Carefully read each prompt, then click the appropriate button, such as Allow, Accept, or Continue, to move forward. If your organization has any additional security or admin approvals, you might see extra confirmation screens. Just follow what's shown on screen and make sure you're using the correct work account for both Asana and Microsoft Teams. Once you've completed all the prompts, the window will close and you should see Microsoft Teams listed as connected inside the Apps tab in Asana. At this point, your integration is set up and you'll be able to use Microsoft Teams and Asana together for a more streamlined workflow.